Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Vaulty Tech. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: AI-powered productivity tools you absolutely need in 2024. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get more done in less time, these tools can seriously level up your game. Let's jump in. Kicking off the list is ChatGPT. If you need a virtual assistant that can generate ideas, draft content, or answer questions in seconds, this is your go-to. It's perfect for brainstorming, summarizing research, and automating writing tasks. Second on our list is Notion AI, an all-in-one workspace powered by AI. It takes care of your note-taking, meeting summaries, and to-do lists effortlessly. Just input your data, and Notion AI organizes it, saving you hours of manual work. For all your writing needs, Grammarly is essential. This AI tool not only corrects grammar, but also enhances tone, style, and clarity. It's like having an editor in your pocket, making sure your emails, reports, and social media posts are polished. Fourth is ClickUp AI, a project management tool that uses AI to help you plan, organize, and track projects. Whether you're managing a small team or a large project, ClickUp AI can automate task creation, assign team members, and predict deadlines based on past work patterns. Last but not least, Otter AI. Never miss a detail in your meetings again. Otter AI transcribes meetings in real time, making it easy to review, search, and share key points with your team. It's the perfect tool for anyone in meetings all day long. These 5 AI-powered tools are just the beginning. With their help, 2024 can be your most productive year yet, so what are you waiting for? Try them out and take your productivity to the next level.